Then it says angles are physical quantities. Angles are physical quantities that can be measured using different units. Possible units to measure angles include right angles, which is the angle that is congruent to its supplementary angle. Revolution, which is the angle formed by a complete turn or a circle. Radian, one radian is formed by angles subtended at the center of a circle when the length of arc of the circle has the same length as its radius. We're gonna go into that later on. So a radian has to do with the arc and the radius, all right? So the arc, the curve, and the radius, that ratio of one to the other will provide the radians, all right? So we say the angle is equal to, I believe it's L over R, if I recall correctly, all right? Then there is a gradient. It's the unit of measurement that divides a revolution into 400 and a right angle into 100 units. So you will notice in a calculator that they have something called gradient. When you look at it, let me see if I can find it. Let me see if I can find it on the calculator app. All right, I have the calculator out. And if you notice, there should be, where is it? There's degree. There, see, it changed from degree to radian, which is what we use most of the time. And here is the gradient. So this GRAD that you would see in your scientific calculator isn't meaningless. It's actually a unit of measurement that was once upon a time used for measuring angles. We rarely use it nowadays. As I said, it's antiquated, right? And then it says degrees is the unit of measure that divides the revolution into 360 due to its large number of factors. Actually, apart from it being from its large number of factors, it actually was done because the Babylonians believed that a year, right? A year, or the sun moving around the earth, took exactly 360 days. So they took that circle and they cut it up into the 360 days. And so we went from 360 days to 360 degrees, which we pronounce it now as degrees. But in reality, they were wrong because of two reasons. One, they were wrong because the earth does not revolve around the sun in a circle. It is an ellipse. And so because of that factor, then it's not 360, well, actually 365.25 days for one revolution around the sun. Just wanted you to know that.